LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a full office suite, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, everything Microsoft Office does without the subscription. It runs offline, works on older machines, and gives you complete control over your files. For most people, it covers everything they actually need. VLC Media Player. VLC is a media player, but calling it just that is limiting. It plays almost any audio or video format without additional codecs, streams content, converts files, and handles subtitles precisely. Lightweight, fast, and reliable. If a file exists, VLC will likely play it. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is what film editors actually use. Color grading, audio mixing, visual effects, cutting, it's all there in one tool. People write it off as a YouTube editor. It's not. Hollywood productions run on this thing, and most of it is completely free. OBS Studio. OBS is not just for streaming, it's a real-time video production system. You can capture your screen, webcam, or both, layer scenes, switch between them, and record in high quality. It supports overlays, transitions, and audio mixing. Streamers use it, but so do educators, YouTubers, and developers. It's essentially a live video studio running on your computer. GIMP. GIMP handles raster graphics, photo editing, retouching, compositing, and manipulation. You can adjust colors, remove objects, create digital art, and design thumbnails. It's not as polished as commercial tools, but it covers most needs. If you work with images regularly, this is a core tool. Audacity. Audacity is not a basic recorder, it's a full audio editing engine. It records, cuts, cleans, and enhances audio. You can remove background noise, normalize volume, add effects, and export in multiple formats. Podcasts, voiceovers, and music edits are all handled here. Under the simple interface, it's doing precise waveform manipulation. If your content involves sound, this is the foundation. Blender. Blender is a full 3D creation suite modeling, animation, rendering, simulation, sculpting, rigging, and physics all in one tool. You can create characters, environments, visual effects, and entire short films. What makes it significant is that it replaces entire pipelines that used to require multiple expensive paid tools. The learning curve is steep, but the ceiling is extremely high. Inkscape. Inkscape handles vector graphics, logos, icons, illustrations, anything that needs to scale without losing quality. Instead of pixels, it works with paths and shapes. You can design brand assets, UI elements, or detailed illustrations. Precision and scalability are its core strengths. Scratch. Scratch is a visual programming platform. Instead of writing code, you build logic using blocks. It teaches real programming concepts, loops, conditions, variables, without syntax complexity. You can create games, animations, and interactive stories. It's designed for beginners, but the underlying logic is genuine programming thinking. Thunderbird. Thunderbird is more than an email client, it's a communication hub. It manages multiple email accounts, calendars, contacts, and tasks in one place. It supports encryption, filters, and extensions. Instead of web-based email, everything runs locally on your system. Control and privacy are the main advantages,